Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn on or off the real-time response in Gemini AI. Search for Gemini AI in your Chrome or Edge browser and you can see that there's the setting options. Click on settings and there is real-time response. You can turn it on or off. And then the difference, you can see that in real-time response, it might give you a real accurate answer, and if you turn off the real-time response, you might not get the real-time answer. Let me search in Gemini AI if it gives real-time response. After a while, it will tell you that it gives real-time response and the advantages of real-time response. Let me teach it to you again how you can turn on or off the real-time response. Go to settings and there's the option of real-time response. Doing this, you might get quicker response and then you might be able to get the output fast. So this is how you turn on the real-time response in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.